Alright, this is my 2000 Toyota Tundra. Got the 2UZ in it, it's 2-wheel drive. So let's jump in a quick walk around of this thing. Not gonna be super detailed, just a quick overview. Running a Camburg race kit. Upper is chrome plated. The rest of the kit's finished in a satin black powder coat. Running a 2.5x8 coil, 2.0 bypass, 2.0 bump. Triple 3 fab blockouts, 4 piston Wilwood brakes up front. MCM fab, dual shock hoop, Solo Motorsports, double shear kit. Triple 3 fab billet rack bushing. Rack's got a bunch of gusseting under there. If you guys know these trucks, you know the frames crack on them. On the front, you could see the 2.0 hub that this kit comes with. We'll jump into the rear. So back here, we're running a Currie 9-inch, 3.5 semi-float. It's got a strange third member in it with 529 gears. 6 piston Wilwoods back here. And then running a giant Motorsports link killer kit. Cross tube across, just for a little extra support. This kit's pretty cool. Replace all the factory hangers if you're not familiar with it. 2.0 bump. And a 2.5 18.32 bypass. While we're here, we'll jump into the wheels. They're triple chrome plated Innov8 G400s. And then the ring is finished in a illusion purple with a satin clear. Jumping back into the suspension, it's got a Drew's Fab bed cage. If you guys know about this company, then you know. Custom tubs in the rear. Bed needs some bed liner to finish it off back here and look pretty good. Dual fire extinguishers, can't see. Then going to the bumpers. Front bumper is made by Ian Westfab out of California, and then was reworked a little bit by UCAS Customs out here in Vegas. Did the best he could on it. Looks good. Approach angle's not bad, just needs a little more support. It's got 3 Baja Design Soltec lights. That period correct look, probably some of my most favorite lights out there. Jump into the rear bumper. Rear bumper is just a little tube. Finish that off. Forget who made it. Probably tag him. Nothing crazy. Truck has a pretty mean stance. I forget the exact specifications on the kit. I'll list it all below. So we'll jump into the fiberglass. So front fenders are McNeil. Have the flat top and it follows that body line down there. Hood, it's got a Hanneman Cal hood on it. Not too many guys running that hood, just something different. And it's got the Hanneman bed sides. the interior real quick. So, interior was all redone. It's got black carpet in it. The seats were custom done. Alcantara centers, black leather. Black center console. Black pillars. And that's about the extent. It's got a 8-gang aux beam. And then a scan gauge down there. So now we'll jump into the engine. All right, so it's running a AM cold air intake, Champion aluminum radiator, dirty deets, 12-hole injectors, super dirty in here. You can see those down there, JBA long tubes. That'll bring us down underneath of it. So, JBA long tubes come down here into a Y pipe and then catless at the back. While we're under here, we'll go back into drivetrain. It's got a slip yoke drive shaft, running stock carry bearing. It's all set up right. Carry bearing does not get destroyed. Don't mind the e-brake cable hanging there. That's got to get fixed as well. Give a little sound clip of it. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll link my Instagram. There's more videos and pictures of this thing on there.